Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Time. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Sterling Tools. STERTOOLS, Ster Tools is the ticker name, and this is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart, and each candle here represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and their respective graphs generated for this stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, we have data since 2013 onwards, and you can clearly see that the stock had been in the rising phase for since quite a long period of time, but it is a very slow pace rise. That's what we can say, because the angle at which it is making with the baseline is it's a very low angle, but one thing is sure, the stock is moving in the upward direction. That is there for sure, but it is rising at a very slow pace. You see, that's what I'm trying to say. Actually, from this point onwards, you can say April 2014 onwards, we can clearly see that the stock was in April 2014, the stock was trading at 14 rupees, and today, after 3 years, the stock was trading at 384 rupees, nearly 360 rupees benefit per share to its investors. In 2017, we will look at the performance of the stock in 2017. Okay, in 2017 January, the stock went down. So 175 was the price it was trading at, and today it is 384, doubled itself. I mean, that is the potential of the stock, guys. So the stock had been continuously moving in the upward direction, though there is a sideways movement after every new high. That's what we are seeing. But still, stock is somehow managing to make it to cross its peak price, previous peak price, and make towards a push itself towards in the upward direction. And if you can, the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50 day moving average, and the relative strength of the stock is quite high. It is already making a peak line on slope on top of the 80 line. Good. And direction strength of the stock is rising. Actually, both positive and negative direction lines are diverging, and stochastics is clearly showing a positive signal here. Actually, it is in sync with the price rise here. The fast line is on top of the slow line, and both are diverging, and both lines are above the midpoint and below the 80 point. That is the only concern. But still, both lines are looking towards the and moving towards the 80 line. That is a good signal. Price volume, you see the tip, it is rising upward, and it is moving in the upward direction. That's good. Momentum is also very good. It is moving in the upward direction, and it is playing on top of the baseline. And if you look at the tip, it is clearly we can clearly see that the momentum is in a very good position. Balance of power and LRA both are in sync, and both are clearly telling us that the stock is clearly in the bullish phase. And Kopecker is showing that the stock is in buy zone. Okay, all indicators, most of the indicators are showing positive signals, and some of the indicators are on are have already crossed their benchmark levels, and they are going strong, more strong day after day. So I think that this stock can be considered for long-term investment. Yes, that is the conclusion. For Sterling Tools can be considered for long-term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.